Hello friends, welcome my channel. I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss antihypertensive drugs, diuretic. Friends, I also classified and the diuretic drugs, and I also classified antihypertensive drugs. You know that diuretics is also one kind of antihypertensive drugs, friends. Whatever we have discussed diuretic drugs. Another is angiotensins, renin angiotensin systems. Second and third is sympathetic inhibitors and renin angiotensin system inhibitors. Third is sympathetic inhibitors. Fourth is calcium channel blockers, and fifth is we know that vasodilator. So friends, total 5 classifications we have learned, but we don't know the mechanisms of each drugs, because we classify all drugs in pharmacology. We also classify all drugs because our classifications is very important. We can easily understand about that about the drugs where we can use the treatment purpose. So friends, we have to learn this diuretics. Friends, it is we know that thiazide diuretics also 3 types, friends. We know one is thiazide, second is high selling diuretics. And so friends, thiazide diuretics examples: hydrochlorothiazide. I also discuss that thiazide diuretic drugs is also hydrochlorothiazides. So friends, thiazide diuretics, it is the main target. It is decreasing Na plus and H2O retentions. Why Na plus and decreasing Na plus? Because Na sodium create the osmotic pressures. Sodium control the osmotic pressures of the blood. If sodium is decreasing, then blood pressure also decreasing. That means blood pressure is decreasing means decreasing cardiac output, friends. Blood pressure is decreasing means decreasing cardiac output. So friends, with long-term next is with long-term treatment. With long-term treatment, plasma volume approach. We can use the diuretics for long-term treatment, and then plasma volume approach, and but normal but TPR decreasing. Plasma volume decreasing and normal but TPR decreasing. TPR means total peripheral restrictions, means systematic vascular resistance. Total peripheral resistance is called TPR. TPR is also decreasing. Plasma volume is decreasing and TPR also decreasing with long-term treatments, friends. Now, K plus sparing diuretics and thiazide diuretics. When we use potassium sparing diuretics and thiazide diuretics, then it is decreasing amount of K plus loss, because friends, we know that K plus is very important. It is reducing sodium, but K plus when potassium also losses potassium amount also decrease when we use K plus sparing diuretics, friends. It can be combined with beta blockers, means it can be combined with other diuretics like beta blockers, angiotensins, converting enzyme decreasing, and angiotensins, renin beta blockers. We can combine these drugs with other antihypertensive drugs. It can be act and complete with uric acid for eliminations. Complete with uric acid for eliminations means friends, uric acid also stored in our body. Due to stored uric acid in our body, we get a GOAT, means pain, swelling or inflammations in our joint, means gout attack may be coming. So the ADRS, adverse effect of the diuretics, also gout. So friends, adverse effect is hypokalemia, hyperuricemia and acute gout attack and erectile dysfunctions and decreasing total LDL cholesterol and fall in BP develops after 0.2 and 0.4 weeks. They are more effective in elderly, means it is effective for elder person will be benefited. Antihypertensive activity 25 mg per day, means the per dose should be 25 mg, and antihypertensive activity is attenuated by NSAID. High selling diuretics, means loop diuretics is the more strong diuretic than other diuretics like thiazide diuretics. So it should be furosemide is the high selling diuretics. Furosemide is used strong diuretic but weaker antihypertensive in BP by decreasing plasma volume plus cardiac output. Can cause electrolyte imbalance. So friends, whatever we have learned antihypertensive drugs is used as a diuretics, and diuretics, one example is thiazide diuretics, and decreasing Na plus H2O retentions, decreasing blood pressure and decreasing cardiac output. With long term treatment, plasma volume approach normal but TPR is total peripheral resistance decreasing. K plus sparing diuretics and thiazide diuretics, decreasing amount of K plus loss. K plus amount is decreasing. Can be combined with beta blockers and ACE decrease, means it can be used as a combined with others diuretic drugs. So friends, thanks for watching. I hope these discussions we can learn some things and we can explore some things. So this is the continuing, our work should be continuing, friends. And next I will discuss antihypertensive drugs renin angiotensin system inhibitors. Thanks for. Now friends, let us see one diagram, the diagram of the diuretics, where it is act with our kidneys and our nephrons. So friends, you will see that the nephron, it is the proximal tubulo, and here osmotic diuretics is maintained, friends, and H2O plus Na plus in here also is going to the H2 and Na plus, and thick ascending limb. This is the thick ascending limb, and here Na plus and Na and loop diuretics is going in this way, Na and by Cl, and here Cr and thiazide diuretics is created. Here thiazide diuretics retentions Na and H2O, sodium. So friends, this is the total, and here also create K plus sprang diuretics, and this is the total, and this is the inner medulla collecting duct, and this is here HCO3 and H plus and Na plus carbonic and anhydride inhibitors acts in here carbonic inhibitors acts. So friends, this is my total diagram of the diuretics. I hope that I can discuss, and loop diuretics also act in here act these portions. This is the total the diagrams where diuretics act. So friends, if any mistakes, if any wrong, I hope please tell me in my comment sections. I hope I will work more and better, because I am learner, friends. I am not master and teachers. I just learner, and I learn some things and also tell some things, because without discussions, without working, without anything, we cannot learn nothing. Discussions enhance, improve our knowledge. This is the main target. That's why, friends, my total discussion is top, and diuretics I also discuss with the diagrams. Thank you, friends. Where it is used thiazide diuretics, which portions used, and what is the main mechanisms. I will say that Na and sodium retentions, sodium and H2O retention work. And loop diuretics and loop diuretics is the strong diuretics, and thiazide diuretics is the hydrochlorothiazide, and K plus prang diuretics and diuretics help to the gain loss of potassiums to decrease the loss of potassiums. K plus prang diuretics. Thanks for watching.